Grisha, and today I'm going to tell you something about our work in this project. So, we found out that there are no bike racks in Videykovčina, or that existing ones are ugly or broken. So, we searched the internet and we found the easiest way to make some racks. So, one of our students, Carla, made this layout in AutoCAD, which we are learning to draw in school. And then our students, during their practical work, made these racks. And they were very happy that they were able to do something different in our class. These pictures show how the racks were done. So, if you want to do the same for three racks, you will need these materials. So, you will need 2 metal bars, which costs 50 euros. They will need to be 2 inches wide and 8 meters long. Also, you will need 6 metal plates, which cost approximately 10 euros. You will also need some paint, which costs only 5 euros. And if you are not able to make these racks, you will need some person to do that work for you. So that would cost approximately 30 euros. Total costs of these racks would be about 95 euros. And these are the final results of our racks.
So, if you don't have money or place for that type of racks, you can also make small version, and that type of racks is for only 2 bikes. You can see on these photos. It's also made by our students in our school. Costs for one rack is metal bar about 15 euros, metal plate about 2 euros, paint 1 euro and work 7 euros. Total cost is about 25 euros. You can see the final result of that rack on this photo.